The truth is, I have more kids that look like me than you have kids that look like you. I said it.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hairstyle of the day is Ivy Arrow, mash me up. Not the night.
Oh, I don't know.
We're tired. Mommy and Momo did the morning shift. Like at about 5:15, 5:30 every morning. I just wake up and I just deliver.
That is a saving
That's a
grace.
saving grace. So we get an extra hour or two to just sleep because I bet you she's
It
still
makes
sleeping.
all the difference.
Yeah, so we can
makes
take
all
on
the
a day.
difference.
Because we did the night shift and we did the whole day shift. But Mommy and Mo is awake them times and Mommy just loves to feed her in the morning. This is what we used to do with the other babies. So great to have that support. Trust me. So we're going to go outside and see what's happening. It's very early. Don't feel like it's not. I think it's just, well, it's 7:30 right now.
Can we safely say that summer holidays have started for the boys?
Long time because they've been home for over 2 weeks
I
now.
know, but Jackson did his last exam.
Don't start me. I'm gonna cry again. We'll talk about it. It makes me cry. Like I can't. Yeah. Anyway. See these two hanging out. Mommy, you don't leave our side.
No, not yet.
She's sweetie.
Nana security.
Yeah,
For
she was a bit
sure.
fussy, so I stayed.
Oh, thanks, Nana.
You're welcome. You get enough sleep.
Look at her getting so fat
I know.
and nice. It's 1 week since she born, you know.
I know.
Hey, mommy. Look at that face.
See the security, huh? We gotta check up. Security for sure it is there. Two of them have it locked. Hey, morning guys.
Morning, Dad.
Hey. Nobody not looking at Daddy this morning?
Sorry. I'm in a Fall Guys match.
Atlas is the gamer in training right now. Observing and watching everything that this one is doing. Boozy.
Yeah.
Hi. What's up?
I felt like
How you doing?
I'm watching
What you watching?
the dudes don't come on.
Huh?
The dudes don't come on.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Hi, everybody.
What? So how come mommy get hug up and run to Gee machine?
Daddy, you never asked for that. I just won.
I am so ashamed.
There were like
Baby
69
sisters with
people.
Nana.
As he throw down iPad and run to mommy and hug up. No sir. Me I don't know nobody.
Golden game.
Thank you. How are you?
He's a gamer in training, though.
He's a gamer in training.
Yes.
Who's training him? Jeez, I'm the best of the best. You know you have the best trainer in the world? You have the best trainer in the world.
Atlas, stop, Atlas.
She in there squirming now. We just run out. Say, not me, Jesus.
Trying there, she see the breast chuck, you know. Yo guys, stop the fighting, man. Stop the fighting. So early in the morning. Stop the fighting. Ozzy, don't be naughty.
Atlas, you're in the wrong account.
No.
Do we have another
As
remote
it
that
drip
Ozzy
him
can
up.
use?
No.
Ozzy drip
No.
Atlas.
Come, come.
No.
sir.
No, Atlas, you're doing a good job for not retaliating against me.
Good boy
He did
Atlas.
before.
I know, but
Ozzy,
you have to
relax.
do sometimes. Yes, we need to go. I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. We must sit down now, okay.
Guys, we have to be there for them, you know. And we have to give them as much attention as possible because obviously the newborn needs us, needs a lot of our time, but we still have to be very cognizant, very conscious of the fact that the other boys need us just the same, especially Ozzy Boozy in this time. You know what I mean? So we know, and we do our very best. And we also have Nana and Momo who are just complete gems and, you know, filling in wherever we fall short. Breakfast time. What you say, Tami?
This is a kill, she didn't kill me last. Maureen, one of the times them, you see she wake up, is a titty monster. A titty she want next.
A titty.
Yes, don't look on her with no susu.
A titty.
Nobody try to push her.
titty.
Wait. He was a titty monster too. Yes.
Listen,
Careful with that cup.
Remember say me nah a titty, you know. So you see,
I send you in more time.
when me in there with her, me have to walk on a tippy toe because I don't want to make no sound, I don't want to lick down nothing. I say, more time I make a sound in them eye with my wide sock and I say, Jesus, peace. And once you get her to, because I know that the truth is from she wake up and on me she are gonna need Tami, and I'm trying my very best.
Because you see if it's me, she immediately wants something else.
Yo.
What you know what is crazy? This man, and probably every man in the world, can sleep through the biggest crime.
At night time.
Yes.
At
But if I can say
daytime
that,
is
if I
okay.
go so win, you can't help me. I'm up, ready to go. But you not hear her cry. Why?
People,
Why
I
is that
swear, me not hear.
You snore, you
I
the
swear.
biggest snore me ever
Yeah,
hear.
man. When me a sleep, you talk about me a draw snow. You ready? Yeah, man.
No,
You
Ewa.
find out say a draw snow.
And I really that, you know, and I really that. One at a time, if you make one little sound, Momo wake up. Nowadays, Momo sleeps
Come
so.
here, get whole. I'm nerves, the nerves are go.
Yeah.
Me know you don't have like one time
Yeah.
that flexible and
You need a little
sound
sleep,
in
man.
here.
Oh God, man. You work hard. You
Me
need a
get
little
cold
sleep.
now. You have to stay with me now.
No call them no old for yourself.
I said,
Because you're still fresh.
yeah, but me I reach.
Yeah, up in that zone there.
I say, remember when we used to go in Momo room like in the night and I say, Momo, I should sleep, you know. Me just say, Momo do this. Amen. I said, no, I said, you're too long. You never did that sleep. You never did that pray.
Oh my God, like she did that
I
pray.
said, no, more, you were sleeping. It's
No,
okay, no.
listen up. And I feel her favorite style to try fight, say she did that sleep. She said, no, me never did
Never
that
did
sleep.
that sleep.
Big loud snore though, like she go up Spur Tree Hill, you know them chuck there, and change gear up at Spur Tree Hill. Yeah, no, me never did that sleep. Oh,
It's the last day. It's the last day. I said when the phone drop, I said to me, say, I sleep, yes. Yeah, me no man, who did I sleep? But me fast asleep when the phone drop on the
Just last
and
night.
jump up, see it.
Well, I know, you see it?
I jump up the
You
phone.
see it?
I was in the
You see
kitchen.
it? We rest our kids. Just last night we in the kitchen. We hear boom, 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 boom. Who said what that? Momo phone tumble
I
down.
said,
Yeah,
no, you drop asleep? No man.
drop
Lie.
asleep. Proper sleep, but drop
And I
asleep.
can make my boss asleep. I have it here. You have yours?
Okay.
Cheers.
Careful.
Here, hold it properly.
Okay, Mommy and Sonny. Coffee. Okay, yeah man, coffee break.
Laugh.
You think you're a big man?
Careful, don't spill it, okay? Maybe we should sit down. Come, let's go sit down.
Okay.
Mom, are you going to teach me, Mom?
I'm going to sit with you, but don't spill it, please. Not that way.
Come over here. Come over here. The coffee stand is over there. Listen.
Monster milk. Oi. Work it out, guys.
Coming like a hotel me there this morning.
Things are going for you.
Things are going for me in a star. I bring blessing in my life. You know, see that people? Orange juice. Eh? I can saltfish and dumpling. What is not this? When girl good, Become a good body girl, come back already, star.
Stop it.
Right now, we don't even know if I you did carry the baby.
Stop it. No shame. Don't do that.
Look at that. Look at that.
No, wait, stop that.
Look at that.
No, sir.
People, round of applause in the comment section. Round of applause.
Listen, don't make the body pressure for snap back and them up the air. That is not what this is. No.
Might be snapping
You
too.
just no. Just be you, do you. Don't worry about them something.
You don't have to be snappy.
You see me look like this today, tomorrow you see me big like a house. Who knows?
Look here.
No pressure.
Snappy. What do you mean? See who wasn't snappy here?
Oh no, Nana man.
Never snap
Nana,
back.
stop it no man.
Never.
No,
But
no.
she's a snapper.
Yeah, she's snappy.
Yeah.
She's snappy. I know say after all like you know say your body build feel like about 10 picnic.
Well, I don't know, right?
Because see you just come back so bloof after 4 like a joke. Eh?
I hate that. There is so much pressure on women to snap back. I ain't doing it.
We should just do the Mormon style and done.
What's that?
A 13 picnic.
It's a win.
Eh?
That's a strong lady.
She's strong man. Bad.
Yeah.
Me, I saw firsthand
I will take strong over snap
the
back.
strength of a woman. Me not tell a lie. People in the face of adversity, me not gonna tell a lie. Most man, they pan all the table, them can't talk, them can't do nothing. Cow balling. Zine, I'm gonna say, doctor, put me under, me no want to see it, me no want to hear. You understand? And Tami just deal with it, she just deal with it like nothing go on. She a reason, she a talk, she a run joke. Oh my God. Q Shaggy songwriter is the strength of a woman. Woke up this morning, gotta give thanks for the woman. Put a smile. Watch my guys when I live life, nachos and cheese.
Party.
Bro, you enjoying yourself, bro?
Yeah.
Alright. Nachos and cheese and movie.
Yeah.
That is it, you know. That is it.
Come and just kiss that little jaw right there, so. Oh my God,
I'm gonna
Mo.
kiss her up this
Just
morning.
kiss that jaw. Watch how it nice. It's a double chin that you know.
She look like the chin them.
See?
Chin.
You're not kissing her.
This way. Sorry, man.
She nice, see?
A chin.
She's a chin. Gentle. She's sleeping, Baba.
The suction kiss.
Have the fish this. Gentle. Sweetie. Alright, let her sleep now.
Baby's waking up.
She's so wake up, make her sleep. She needs her sleep. She
Okay.
needs her rest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's a little goat on her arm.
it's like a restaurant.
There's a little goat right here. There's a little goat.
But look what it says. Her shirt says, Daddy's little girl.
Daddy, little girl.
That's from Auntie Betty.
Mommy, look at my foot. What is that?
What is that? That is a foot.
Yeah.
Fruits come, people.
All fruits right.
All fruits ripe. Nana, where you going with so far? Black hair eat and bathing. Not do that.
4 at a time.
Tita for arm, we name the chinks out.
I'm so hungry, Wayne.
What you want for food, babe? Remember say, your wish is my
Yeah,
command, you know.
replenish
Yeah, man, me there for you, man. Me there for you.
You know what I want?
Talk the good talk, no, man. Talk the good talk,
What you
no,
want,
man.
Wayne?
Uncle
Whatever
Ting.
she want, second it.
Okay, we're heading to the party shop, right?
Sweet and sour.
We're heading to the party shop right now.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour?
Yes.
No, sugar and spice. That's a good try though, sweet and sour. That sounds like a Chinese food place.
Like.
Anyway, we're gonna get patties and stuff for the fam. So you might
Likes
go.
up. Hit the subscribe bell.
Hit the subscribe bell.
Hit it.
Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification
five.
bell.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Press it. Hit it.
Smash it.
Smash it.
Nana and I are sitting here relaxing while baby girl is having a nap. And Wayne went to go get some lunch for us. And yeah, it's a very overcast day and it's very cool and I am not complaining. Don't it, Mom?
No, not at all.
So
It's
cool
lovely.
and nice for a
like
change.
England.
Man, I know about that. But oh, the swelling on my feet are going down. You guys want to see? Much better, right? What did you get? What did you get?
Cheese and bread.
Cheese and bread?
Yep.
You mean cocoa bread and cheese patty?
Yes.
Okay. What did you get, Dad?
I didn't get no
Cocoa bread.
A box lunch.
Box lunch for you.
You remember how I ate a box lunch so many times? Oh my goodness. I'm very excited. Thank you, Daddy. The girl is still sleeping.
Really?
Yeah. A fried chicken, like a coleslaw, like a curry gravy, like a rice and peas. Yeah. Breastfeeding moms gotta keep their calories up. You know what I'm saying? Nana is giving us a little chance to sit down and catch up with you guys. She's in with the baby, even though she is having a little nap now. How she just eat and sleep?
Oh, I thought you were talking about that. That's not true. That's not true. Eat and sleep, but enough more other things
That's
too.
funny. I said from the last video that I wanted to definitely kind of share a little bit about, the doctors and nurses who helped us to have an incredible experience this time around. Every time we're there. I mean, I've made friends with the nurses. The nurses, at this point, they know us so well.
Yeah.
Some aren't there anymore. Some have, gone off to other places or whatever it is. But it keeps reminding me like how blessed we are to have had the birthing experience that we did. And, I really wish that for every woman, especially in a high stress situation like a cesarean section, that it can be what, me and my doctor and, people call a gentle cesarean, because it is a traumatic experience. It's a really big surgery. It's not a joke thing,
Oh, take it from me as an observer. It's a very big surgery.
It is, and everybody deals with it differently. As you can see, Wayne kind of goes into his very calm, silent self. I go into my chatty, mouthy self, and we had a group or a team of doctors who allowed us to be who we are,
That's why I take your lead still when I'm in there. I'm just like, all right, well, if she calm, what me I go to them?
And we take the lead from our doctor, and then the whole team thereafter. So, Dr. Abrams has been my doctor from when we had Jax, and he has always, I don't want to say made light of the situation because he's very serious about what is happening, but he's very serious about us having a very normal experience. And so, he allows me to walk to the operating theater, which is a big deal. He plays music. He, half of the footage I can't use because we were listening to all kinds of music in the operating theater. Doctors like my anesthesiologist, anesthetist. Me can't say that word there.
Yeah, anesthetist.
Dr. James, who is like my right hand man, who is literally telling me, we're close, or how are you feeling, this and that. He's kind of like our liaison all the time.
Yeah.
I didn't get the name of our assistant surgeon, who was amazing as well.
Big up yourself.
Our pediatrician, Dr. Franklin, who has delivered or been at the delivery for all the babies and been there to check them over, and she's just incredible. She has 3 sons herself. And it was just nice that they were all there, and not to mention the nurses. I have to take some time to talk about my nurses. When we went in that first night, and Nurse Peart was who looked after me the first night I was there, and she took me down to surgery. you develop a bond with these women, you know, because you know they're there to help you, and they're there to kind of walk you through this next big thing. And I get goosebumps talking about them. So Nurse Pierce was so amazing, and then Nurse Francis was there, who has been there again every time I've given birth. Nurse Francis is there, and she was there when, you know, when Ivy was born, and then she took care of me that whole entire day and checked in with me and made sure I was okay, and you know, staying ahead of the pain, and just so attentive.
She received the baby too as well.
Yeah.
And gave the baby her first bath, and also taught me how to change
a girl diaper,
baby
which
diaper.
he's now a pro. So thanks, Nurse Francis.
Thank you.
Then Nurse Derizio, who, that's my girl, Rizzy. Like, love her so much. Literally, like, she is just no nonsense, matter of fact, just the type of person you kind of need around on that journey. And then there was Nurse Walker, who took care of me in the nights. And Nurse Walker is a young nurse. She said she's there fresh out of nursing school.
Okay.
So amazing. Listen, don't feel like you can't learn nothing from people who don't have children. Nurse Walker walked me through cup feeding. I'd never really had to cup feed before, and I had to give baby a little cup feed while we were in the hospital. She reassured me when I hit a wall with the breastfeeding. She was like, "It happens, it's okay, but we're gonna try again." I don't think she's more than 26, she was saying, and it was just so refreshing. I don't even have any footage of Nurse Walker, but big up yourself, Nurse Walker. All the nurses, all of the janitorial staff, the people who made the meals, everybody at Andrews, like the porters. Oh, the porter, he was so amazing, who took me back up to my room. You know, just so nice. Everybody was amazing. And then on the last day, or the second to last day, we actually got a visit from the team at Andrews, and they gave us a couple of gift baskets, because they were like, "It's your last time and you've always chosen us, and we're grateful." And it was just nice to meet their team. I met some of them the last time for the gallbladder surgery. You remember? And so that was really nice. It felt like a little going away party. Don't come back.
They're very good to us.
And then they prayed with us, which was really nice as well. They always make a point to do that, which was really nice. So I just felt it important to kind of just, you know, acknowledge these people who are really selfless in what they do. And you know, I know everybody's experience is different, and not all the time, you know, you get to have the birth experience you would want, or sometimes you have a surprise that you have to all of a sudden do something differently. But you know, when you have a good set of people, a good team, it's so much easier, right?
Definitely.
So big love to everybody there. Oh, and Nurse Budu as well, who was there to reassure me about my supply. Look here, breastfeeding is not a joke thing, you know, guys. No matter how much time you do it, and I know the mothers out there can attest to it, you're always worried, don't it, Wayne? That it's like, are you getting enough? How many times have I almost quit breastfeeding in the last week? How many times? I say, and I've said this to you guys before, fed is best. In my book, that is what I believe. So however, right now we're doing both. We're supplementing, and it's okay, you know, because that's what works for us and our family and my mental health. And then, you know, everybody else wins at the same time. Oh, I also have to big up Nurse Blackwood, who was in the actual surgery with us. I remember her holding my hand when they were doing the thing in your back. She was amazing. Everybody was amazing. So thank you guys. But I feel really strong, guys. I feel really able. I feel like I'm healing well.
You're doing
I
so
feel like
good.
this has been my best recovery so far. Some of you are saying, how are you editing the vlogs? And the truth is, guys, I love what I do. And that's part of the whole fun of loving what you do, that you can do it no matter what. And listen, I know if I can't do it, I won't do it. Like, it's not like I'm here, you know, killing up myself like, I gotta get this done. No. And I know you guys, as you've expressed a million times, would understand. So you know, we'll keep going as long as we can. If I feel like I need to take a break, I will. Trust me on that one. So yeah,
guys,
that's that.
I'm gonna share something with you right now. Most people in the comment section are saying that the baby favor.
It's obvious.
I don't know.
Wayne, there's nothing to know. Anybody who said the baby favor you, them just
No, I'm just
try and make you
saying,
feel nice.
No. I'm just saying it's early days still.
No.
It's early days.
Alright, listen, Gio is split down the middle, you and Regina. Jackson is me. Atlas is you. Oz, yeah. Ivy,
Finally, she get one.
the truth is, it's not finally. The truth is, I have more kids that look like me than you have kids that look like you. I said it. I said what I said. I said what I said.
I don't know Rasta.
I said what I said.
I don't know Rasta.
I said what I said.
Comment section, do you there?
Settle the score. Don't deal with me. Just tell the truth, guys. I'm gonna put in some pictures. Let me do my sleepy face.
Oh, too much Ivy for true. I'm shame, boof.
You tried to do your Ivy face. See, Ivy. Anyway, guys, gone again. This is a Friday video, so we're not going to see you till Monday. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share it out like food. Meet another Mitchell. It's happening right now.
Just you know that we're having many sleepless nights.
Many. I'm delirious. I'm drinking a little coffee.
Just know that is consistent in our life right now. And over this weekend, you can just continue to pray for us.
Please.